Oh, this is a Mitsubishi Eclipse Cruise. So this is a change to spark plug. So this is a spark plug. This is a 4 pieces spark plug. So this is the part number. You see, this is the part number of spark plug. This one. You see, part number. This one. So pull out this one, the pipe, so that very easy to pull out the spark plug. So now pull out. Now very easy to pull out the spark plug. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now pull out this one. So shout out that don't it mix this one, huh? Don't it mix 1, 2, 3, 4. Must be like this one. Oh, 50. Don't make it mix the coil, the connector. Like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like this one. Okay. So pull out the spark. Ready? So this is the old one, you see. Balik. So this one is already pulled out. You see the electrode? You see? So this is every 100,000 kilometer service must be changed the spark plug. So now I put the spark plug. You see? So this is the part number. Shut out. So this is the part number. Okay. So make it sure this one the clearance. You see? So this is a sports spark plug. So now I tight na spark plug. Already tight. So return the spark plug to put the this one the coil. Okay. So shut out that, don't make it mix this one, don't make it rumble. Actually this one they have trouble, this one they have misfiring, engine misfiring, so the problem is the spark plug. That's why I changed this. I changed the spark plug. So check the connector, ha? Okay. Okay, finish. Return this one. Okay. Pull out the air filter, this one. So this is the old one, huh? So this is the new one. This is the part number, you see. This is the part number. Now it's already finished. spark plug and the air filter.